Alright, in today's video I will be showing you how to install the latest Nvidia graphics drivers. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, search in the text box for Nvidia. Click on the first link, which is nvidia.com. Click on the top right of your screen, where it says drivers. Now choose your product type. For me it is GeForce. Choose your product series, for me it is GeForce 10 series. Select your product, I currently have a GTX 1050 Ti. Choose your operating system, I am currently on Windows 11. The download type should be the game-ready driver. Select your language. For me it is English, United States. Click Search. Click Download. Wait until the download finishes. It might take a few minutes depending on your computer's hardware. After it finishes, click on the up arrow and click Open. Click OK. You will only click on Nvidia graphics driver, but I will be making a video on how to install GeForce Experience. Click Agree and continue. Then, click on Custom. Then click Next. Make sure you have the same configuration as me. Then click Next. You have now completed the installation. Now you are ready to start your PC journey. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. Also, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also check out my Twitter in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.